welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great week. So today I'm doing another Halloween tutorial. Of course, like I said in last week's video, I'm doing Halloween tutorials all the way through September and October and obviously August, because right now it's August, end of August. So yay, you guys can count on me for your Halloween ideas because I'm going to do so many, and I absolutely love filming scary and gory things. I think it's just so fun. Some of my looks are going to be really basic and some of my looks are going to be a little bit more advanced. This look actually looks hard, but it's actually quite basic. Trust me, it is quite basic. So this is probably more basic than my barbed wire look because you don't have to be good at drawing doing a look like this. You're literally just grabbing a brush and painting on lines and drips everywhere, and if you see how I do it, it's pretty easy to recreate. And I will have some tutorials where I'm using like liquid latex and it's going to get a little bit more technical. I hope you guys like this look. I absolutely love it. It's kind of inspired by Zoran Blitz, so I did recreate this look from him. I absolutely loved the look, and this is the one that I did. So I wanted to do something similar but with black, and I wanted to do a recreation of Kyle's makeup look on episode 1. This was the first selfie brief that he did, and he got in the red chair for it. I got in the red chair as well, so I was in the red chair with him. But I absolutely loved his look because it's like demony and it reminds me of Halloween, and I just loved the upside down cross. So I wanted to take aspects of his look, such as like the white lashes, the cross, and kind of like the squiggly patterns around the eyes, and kind of do my own recreation of it. So thank you, Kyle, if you're watching this. Oh, and by the way, thank you guys so much for 60,000 subscribers. So because of Glow Up, as well as one of my bikini hauls going viral, I've gained like so many subscribers. So I've gained over 1,300 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, which to me is absolutely insane. So yes, I finally hit 60,000 and I'm on my way to like 61,000, so I'm really grateful for that. So anyway, if you want to know how to do this Halloween makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start with making the face white. At first I was just going to do the face, but I'm just so into doing it down my body as well. I think it's just so much more eye-catching. First, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution SFX white base face paint. This is amazing. This stuff is nearly gone. I get mine from beautybliss.co.nz and it's only like, I think $9, $8 or something, really affordable. So I'm not going to chat much in this video, but I'm just going to be explaining what I'm doing since I did a chit chat get ready with me video last week. If you want to see my first like official Halloween tutorial of 2020, then I'll leave the link down below. I just did like this barbed wire look and I was really happy with it, and a lot of you guys seem to like it as well. But I did a chit chat get ready with me video, and that video about Glow Up, if you have seen Glow Up, what do you guys think about it? Like, do you like it? What do you think of like all of us contestants? What do you think of the judges? What do you think of our looks? Like, I want to hear it all. It's so cool to watch each episode. I just watched episode 3 last night, and oh my gosh, I can tell it's going to get so much more juicy. I love it. I always cough when I bounce on my Adam's apple. Oh my gosh, that always like gives me a choke. Okay, so now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Bacon Finish Luxury Baking Powder. This is in Ghost Finish, so it's like so white. This is so amazing as well if you want like really highlighted under eyes, and it just makes everything last forever. So I'm just going to use, oh, this brush is awesome. This brush is by Nude by Nature, and this is their mineral brush. It is so perfect for like applying powder on the face. It's actually one of my favorite brushes. Okay, so now I'm using the Mehron Paradise AQ 8 color palette, and I'm just going to be using the black. I so need some more of these water activated paints because I think that they are so amazing. So I'm just going to take a small brush. This one is from Warehouse Stationery. I feel like a bad guy of Batman or something already. I'm just adding like little lines and bits and pieces in here, kind of like Carl has on his photo. Now I'm going to try and do the same thing on the other side. Not the same thing, it doesn't have to be like perfectly the same. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm just going to do the mouth now, so I'm going to make it look like it's bleeding down. Okay, I've zoomed out a little bit so you can see my chest, so I'm just going to like come down in streams, I guess. Okay, so now I'm using the Thin Lizzy Duo eye pencil and I'm using the black side. I'm just going to line my waterline with this. I just looked at Carl's photo and I realised that he does have white lashes for his look, so I'm going to put on white lashes. I think it will look really cool with this makeup. So the lashes I'm using is the Lilly lashes in the style Mink mykonos, so that's these bad boys right here. I love these lashes on so far, like when I go to the side you can see how long they are. Why did my lashes look this good on Glow Up? Why did I choose to use super long Wish lashes when I could have gotten the effect using these lashes? Ah. Anyway, too late now to worry. So at least I can do a recreation though and show like how much I've improved, because I asked on Instagram, I did like a little poll, who of you guys want to see like a recreation of my glow up model look on episode 1, and you guys all wanted to see it, apart from like 5% of people. I was like, oh well, whatever, to you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to stick this cross on. So I literally just made this out of card paper and then I cut it out myself. I freehanded this cross and then I painted it with the water activated paints, and I'm going to stick it in the middle here. So I'm using the Duo eyelash glue to stick this bad boy on this cross, and then I just put some eyelash glue on the tip of my nose and at the top of my forehead. So oh my gosh, I'm already loving this look. So I'm going to stick it on as evenly as I can. I'm going to make my hair look white at the top. Okay, so now I'm going to put my favourite contact lenses in, and they're called the Neji Hyuga from Body FX. Body FX is owned by the lovely Mirtha from Glow Up. She's so talented. Yeah, her family owns that business and I absolutely love it. If you want all things SFX, gore, Halloween on their paint, you got it. Go and check out her website. So I'm going to pop these in and I'll be right back. I cannot for the life of me do these on camera. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the contact lenses in. I think it looks super trippy and like really cool. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the finished Halloween makeup look. I honestly love it. I think this one is probably one of my favorite looks that I've done. Let me know down below if you guys like this look and if you are going to recreate it or if you think you're going to wear this on Halloween. Please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to share you guys on my stories. I always do. You can count on me for your Halloween ideas. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!